Hello. We will be discussing reading and using line graphs in this session. Let's just have a look at an example and see how we can um, read line graphs. The example I've put here is a shopkeeper is selling packs of rice. He has some of them in the store and he will not be restocking them until all are sold out. The graph below, this graph, shows how many packs he has left in his shop at any given day. So basically this is the horizontal axis showing the days, and this is the vertical axis showing the number of packs. As he sells more of them, the numbers will decrease as they pass. So as you can see, the number of stocks are coming down as days go by. So we've been given basically this graph, and now we want to see how we can answer some questions using these graphs. Question 1. How many packs did he have at the start? Here you can see that the number of packs is 28 and the time here is 0. So time 0 means start. So at the start he has 28 of them. This is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and this is day 0. Remember that this axis shows the number of days. So the answer is 28. Initially he had 28 packs in his store. Question 2. How many packs have been left on day 2? So at the end of the day 2, we want to see how many packs he's got left in his store. So again, we start from day 2 on the horizontal axis or days axis, and we go vertically up, so we cross the graph. Once we cross the graph, we go horizontally or across to hit the number of packs axis, and in this case we hit it at 20. So the day 2 goes with the number of packs of 20. In other words, on day 2 he's got 20 packs left in his store. So the answer here is 20. So I just fixed that, 20. Okay, question 3. When will he sell out all stock? Alright, we want to see when basically his stocks have all finished. So in other words, we have 0 stock, 0 packs in his store. So as you can see here, on day 7, we have no stock left. So the answer is day 7. On day 7, he will run out of stocks, because he started with 28 and coming down all the way, and this is where we have 0 packs. Another way of thinking of that, if you take this point on the graph and go across, you will end up with 0. So that means the number of packs is 0 on this axis. So when you are here, means 0 packs and also 0 days. But we are talking about day 7. So on day 7, go across and you have 0 in your stock. Question 4. How many packs does he sell every day? Okay, we want to see how many he is selling each day. So one way of doing that is on day 0, when it started, he had 28, and after 7 days, he has nothing left. So in 28 days, he has sold he has sold on 7 days, he has finished all his 28 packs. So to find how many of them is in a day, divide 28 by 7 and you get 4. Or you can take any other days you want. For example, if you take day 2 and you go based on the graph, you have 20 left. And on day 7, nothing left. So from day 2 to day 7, you got 5 days. 7 take away 2, and 2 is 5. So in 5 days, you finish 20. So 20 divided by 5 gives you how many a day, which is 4. Okay. That is, you might be also asked when, at what time or what day he has got 8 packs left. So we know we have 8 packs. We want to see on what day this will happen. So you start from 8, you go across to hit the graph and come down to hit the days, and you will see that it is 5. So on day 5, he will have 8 left in stock. If you were asked that on what day you have 8 left, that's how you find it out. Thank you for your attention.